If you have bought your domain name from GoDaddy.com, I'm going to show you how you can link your domain name to your web hosting account. Before I begin, please make sure that you have already purchased the domain name, a web hosting account, and you have already received your hosting details, because this is going to be really important afterwards. At the GoDaddy website, click on Domains and select Manage My Domains. So what you're seeing right now is basically an example of one of my domain names. But of course, these details will be different in your case. You will have at least one or several domain names in your account. For example purposes, I'm going to use this one right now. Select the gear icon and click on Manage DNS. On this page, choose the Settings tab and look for Name Servers. This is the part you need to edit. So click on Manage. For a new account, there will probably be nothing over here. So that being said, click on Edit Name Servers and add in your name server details. It is usually ns followed by number.name of server.com. This is an example of a name server that you should be putting in. Your web hosting provider would have normally provided this in the email notification. So that being said, once these are added, you just click OK, and you're done. Then, your name server will propagate for the next 24 or 48 hours or less. You know this is done correctly when you can see your own website on your .com or the domain name that you've inserted. Don't forget to click on Save. That's all there is to it.